Hello YouTube. Today I would like to show you how to launch a sandwich attack slash frontrunner attack that works on the Ethereum network, the Binance Smart Chain, and even the Polygon network. I'm going to cut right to the chase, so show you exactly how to do it. First, you want to make sure you have um, first I'll go to the contract. So the contract, I'll post this link down in the description. So if I'm going to show you how to do it on the Ethereum network. It will be the same steps, except you'll one different step, which we'll get to in the video, on if you're going to use the Binance Smart Chain or use the Polygon network. So for Ethereum, you want a minimum of 0.05 to do it, and that's what I'm going to do it on. The Binance Smart Chain, you're going to want a minimum of 0.15 BNB, and the Polygon network, you're going to want a minimum of 50 Maddox. So we'll get back to that. So I have 0.1 Ethereum, so that should be enough to launch it all. So the 0.05 is the gas that's going to be sent to the contract. So you're going to want more than that in the Ethereum to actually launch the contract. So 0.1 should be enough in Ethereum to run it all. We'll see. Okay, so first you're going to want to come to the remix.ethereum.org. You can come to this page. You can come down to here, go to create a new file, and we're going to call this file a sandwich. Let's call it my sandwich.sol. And this link is the link to the contract code. I'll post that down in the description. Just go to copy. And for copy and pasting, I have to do Control V to actually copy into this editor. Some people might be able to right click and go paste, but for me it doesn't work. And this is the contract code. And then we're going to drop down from here to the compiler. The compiled version, we're using 0.5.17, so we're going to want to change that to match that. And we're going to hit compile. And when it's done, yep, green. So if you get a little green check mark, that means everything compiled correctly. Then we're going to drop down to this that says deploy and run. We're going to change the environment to inject Web3. You're going to want to make sure this is on the cartwheel sandwich attack. And the reason it's called the cartwheel, because it can actually do all three of the main networks. So it's kind of cool that way. So make sure we click on that. And that's also my sandwich.sol. So you want to click on that one. Cartwheel sandwich attack. Go down deploy. Don't click deploy yet. We have to go over here. Click this. And this is where we choose what network we're using. So we're using the Ethereum network. So set network blockchain 1 for Ethereum, so we're going to put a 1 in there. If you were using the Binance Smart Chain, you would have put a 2 in there, and the Polygon network, you'd put a 3. And then now, after we have the 1 in there, we're going to hit transact. And we're going to confirm. And depending on what time of the day is, the gas to launch this on the Ethereum network, of course, is going to be higher or lower. But usually it takes maybe around 0.04 to launch this on the Ethereum network. Sometimes it's less. Sometimes you luck out. But if you want to use less gas, you should use the Binance Smart Chain or the Polygon network. Okay, so that has been confirmed, and when that is confirmed, when you scroll down, you should see deployed contracts, and you'll see it right here. This has a little thing here. You can drop it down, and you have an action button there. First we need to put the gas money. So the minimum gas money for the Ethereum network is 0.05. So we're going to send that over. Then we're going to go to send. Point zero zero. I'm going to go point 0.06, just because that's the minimum of the 0.05 is the minimum. So I like going a tiny bit above the minimum just to be safe. And go to confirm. When that confirms, we'll be able to run the action and start the contract. And depending on how fast the network is at the time, it might take a little bit of time to confirm. Just make sure that the main thing is, okay, we got confirmation, 9 confirmations. That should be sent. Yes, okay. Now we're going to go to action, and this actually starts the contract. And now we're going to wait. It should come through. Runs. We're going to start the contract up, and we got 10 confirmations. That means the contract's up and running. Then we go back up here, and it might take, depending how long it takes to run that in the contract and front run, it could take up to a minute. We'll wait and watch that amount. This is the part where I just kind of stare at it and just pray, like, come on, come on. Because you never know how much it's going to be. And sometimes it's just an outrageous amount. Sometimes it's like, it's always above the amount you put in, but you never know. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, this is probably one of the highest ones I've got so far. This is amazing. So I started off with point 0.1 Ethereum, and now I'm at 11.77 Ethereum. That is freaking insane. People, this is amazing. Please subscribe and please thumb up my videos and please share with people. This is the best time to be accumulating and stacking. Thank you for watching.